Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the option to double tap the screen to turn it off. How does it work right now? If we double tap on the empty space on the home screen, 1, 2, the phone goes to sleep. So how to turn it off? We have to go to settings first, then in advanced features we have motion and gestures. By default, this option is turned on. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now we can tap our screen however many times we want, and it won't turn off. By default, it's turned on. Same with double tap to turn the screen on and off. Both these options are turned on by default. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.